In this video, you'll learn how to add a parallax effect in WordPress. This effect creates a dynamic visual experience by making the background scroll at a different speed than the foreground content. By following these steps, you will enhance the visual appeal of your website. Begin by navigating to your preferred web browser and entering the URL for WordPress. This will take you to the WordPress homepage where you can either sign in or access your site directly if you're already logged in. If prompted, enter your username and password to proceed. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled My Sites in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this option to view a list of all the sites linked to your account. Select the site you wish to modify by clicking on its name. After selecting your site, you will enter the site editor interface. If you have not completed the initial setup, you may see a message prompting you to finish setup. Click on the button labeled Finish Setup to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures that your site is fully operational before making any changes. Next, locate the area where you can add new features or effects to your site. There should be a search bar or an option to explore features. Type in Add a Parallax Effect in this search area. After entering the text, look for an option that mentions enabling a parallax effect. Click on this option to initiate the process. Upon clicking, you should see a confirmation message that states enabled a subtle parallax scrolling effect on the main hero covered image. This message indicates that the background will now scroll slightly slower than the rest of the page, enhancing the overall visual experience without altering any other content or styling. It is important to review how this change impacts your site's layout and make adjustments as necessary. After completing these steps, take a moment to preview your site to see the new parallax effect in action. Ensure that the effect works seamlessly with your existing content. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your internet speed and available storage, as these factors can affect the performance of your website. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.